May I come in, sir?
Yes, of course.
Can I have a seat?
Yes, sure. Be seated, please.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, please show me your ID card.
Here is my passport.
Okay, Vanshika Jain. Okay, my name is Lavalia and I'm your examiner for this part of your test. Your test will be divided into three parts. First would be an introduction and a general part. Second would be a cue card on which you have to speak for 2 minutes. And the last one would be a follow-up section. That would be literally your part 2. So shall we begin now?
Sure, sir.
Okay, may I know your full name, please?
My full name is Vanshika Jain.
Where are you from?
I belong to Nakodar. It is located near Jalandhar.
How do you do?
I'm doing very well, sir.
Okay, what's your qualification?
I have done postgrad diploma in child guidance and family counseling.
Okay, and what are you doing nowadays?
Presently, I am working as an IELTS trainer.
Wonderful to know. And how much experience do you have?
It's been 8 years now in teaching specifically.
Great. Okay, Vanshika, let me know, what do you think is your level of English?
Well, I'm learning every single day, so I don't score myself specifically.
Okay, what is the most important part of learning a language?
Well, confidence and practice is the most important part in learning languages.
That's great. Do you think that you are confident enough to learn a language?
Yes, I'm confident enough in learning any kind of stuff.
That's great. And what is more important in learning a language, practicing or learning grammar?
Well, I believe grammar is a major part in learning, but practices makes big difference while learning.
Okay, now let's start talking about birds. Do you like birds?
Yes, definitely. I like birds. They are very pleasing when they chirp.
What is the national bird of your country?
I think it's peacock. Peacock is national bird of India.
Do you own a pet?
No, I don't. I think it's a cruel deed.
So do Indian people prefer to have birds as their pets?
Well, it's the personal choices. Some pet them, specifically the parrot, but some other like to feed them on the terrace by putting some seeds and water.
What are the most common birds that you see in your locality?
On the daily basis, I used to see crow, pigeon, and sometime sparrow as well.
Have you ever raised a pet?
Never, I never did so.
Okay, so do you think that the population of birds or animals is decreasing?
Yes, of course, because of usage of satellites and few signals, or like for television, satellites is playing very bad impact on birds' life because birds get affected by the rays.
Okay, what is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter because I can wear my choice of clothes and I can eat a lot, which I can hide under the clothes.
What do you think about summers?
Summers are quite annoying for me because I get irritated easily whenever I sweat.
So, how long does summer stays in your country?
Approximately 5 to 6 months. Summer stays for a couple of months in my country.
Isn't it too long?
Yes, it is.
Okay, do you prefer rainy days or summer days?
No, I don't like the both. I like the winters only because that is my favorite season. Because rainy season also create a mess specifically with muds and on roads and streets.
Okay, is there any fruit that you specifically eat in the summer season?
Yes,
you like a lot?
Yes, mango is my favorite fruit. I like to eat mango on daily basis in summers.
And what about the winters? What is your favorite fruit in winters?
In winters, I prefer to enjoy strawberries and other berries.
Okay, Vanshika, thank you so much. This is the end of your part 1. Now we can move towards the part 2. I'm giving you a cue card on which you have to speak for 2 minutes. Okay, I'm giving you this and you'll get a sole minute for the preparation of this, and you can make some notes if you want. Okay, your preparation time begins now. So your cue card is describe an invention that has changed your life. Your questions are what is it, how it changed your life, what are the benefits, and why it is useful. Please start your speaking now.
To be very honest, nowadays inventions and new gadgets play a very crucial role in everyone's life. People become very dependent on the new technologies, and for me, the major and new technology which has made a huge difference, that is internet provide so many facilities. For example, making payments, expanding business, which is very helpful. Secondly, it helps to maintain relationship on long distances, and moreover it is very easy to connect with anyone at any place at any time. So it works with the help of satellites, numerous satellites I can say, and with the phone connections. Its benefit play a very important role for expanding my business, which I run side by side, that is cake making business. I used to take orders through the online page which I run on Instagram. Secondly, I can easily receive payments in advance, which is very beneficial and raising my business. Moreover, I am very much connected with my brother who is residing in abroad country, as I am emotionally very much connected with my brother, and sometimes I miss him, and I just make a click and video call him, and just eliminate the difference of distance between us. Lastly, it is very useful for me because I can stay emotionally maintained just because I can make video call to my brother.
Okay. What qualities do inventors have?
I think they are normal, just like us, or I can say the human being, but for some needs or desires, they can think out of the box. For instance, I would like to mention about the pandemic time when people were just sitting free at home, and they keep generating new things when they are sitting free. So I think whenever the need rises, the invention automatically produces.
How?
I can give another example. Like I wanted a scraper for making my cake icing very smooth, but I didn't have the scraper, so I used the flashcards, or the cards we used to play for soothing the finishing of cake icing.
That's good. How has tech made our life easier?
Well, tech has made our life so much easier. For instance, I can make payments at any time, whether it's big payment or small payment. I don't need to lend money, or I don't need to borrow something from someone. I just make the payment whether I didn't carry the cash. So it's easier.
Is it difficult for older people to use technology?
Yes, it's quite difficult for older people to learn new technologies because, first of all, they don't have much interest in learning technology. They can learn easily only if they are eager to learn. I recently taught my mother. She's quite old, I think more than 50 years, and she wants to put some story which includes me and my brother's picture, and she asked for my helps, and at that time I used to tell her to do step by step clicking different things, and yes, now she is making stories every single day.
How do you think that older people can learn new inventions, or I would say technologies, easier?
I think their eagerness, if they're curious to learn, only then they are able to learn any technology. If they don't have much interest, they won't be able to learn it.
Do you think that people can learn any skill at any age?
It totally depends on their choices. If they are ready to learn, only then they can learn. As I already mentioned about my mother, she's more than 50 and she's still willing to learn new skills.
Okay, what do you think is the future of technology?
Well, honestly, technology is raising day by day, but at some extent it is affecting the environment as well, because the rays produces from satellites or internet connection or with the televisions is putting a very bad impact on birds' life.
How?
Because the rays are affecting them.
How?
Those rays are very harmful for the birds. They got dyed with the fact of race, even there was a movie which was produced by well-known celebrity Akshay Kumar, that was 2.0. In that movie, he depicted that difference of technology advancement.
What do you think that technology would be more beneficial or more disastrous for the humankind?
Frankly, it is making both the differences. It is making our life easier, but affecting others as well. So those who are not so benevolent toward others, they don't care about others, but they just think about the benefits only.
A lot of people claim that technology has brought people together while living in different countries and different places. What do you think? Has it brought people together or has it separated them?
Definitely, it is keeping the relationship so much stronger. As I've mentioned in my previous part, I used to talk to my brother whenever I feel low, and I can talk to him at any time, and distance is not any matter nowadays, just because of video calls or audio calls through the internet.
Any technology or gadget, do you think that there is still some space for improvement?
Well, I cannot think much about it, but I had an idea over it, because when I was teaching in a college, I was provided a smart board where I have the facility to explore any topic, but students don't have. So I think a tab kind of stuff should also be provided to the students, so that they can also explore, or I can say the syllabus should be saved in that tab, so that they can read easily. Moreover, it can also eliminate the use of paper.
What do you think, that the government should spend more money to find out new technology, to invent new technology, or they should spend money to improve the existing technology?
I think they should spend more money on new advancements, so that they can make the huge difference specifically in the study pattern, so that children can also get independent by learning or exploring new things.
Okay, thank you so much. This is the end of your test. You may leave now.
Thank you, sir.
So guys, this is the review time for वंशिका जैन. आज हम आपके साथ बात करेंगे हिंदी में, क्योंकि काफ़ी सारे लोग मुझे आउट ऑफ पंजाब से भी देखते हैं, तो उन्हें थोड़ी सी मेरी लैंग्वेज को समझना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट हर परफॉर्मेंस इन द पार्ट 1. पार्ट 1 में उनकी परफॉर्मेंस काफ़ी अच्छी थी. आई वुड से आंसर्स वर रियली नाइस एंड शी वॉज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. उनका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल, आई वुड से थ्रू आउट द स्पीकिंग इन द पार्ट 1, पार्ट 2, पार्ट 3, इनका कॉन्फिडेंस काफ़ी अच्छा था. इनकी थॉट प्रोसेसिंग, जो कि मैं अक्सर बात करता हूँ कि थॉट प्रोसेसिंग किस तरह की है, सो थॉट प्रोसेसिंग काफ़ी फास्ट इनकी यूएसपी आई वुड से कि इनके जो ना ट्रांसलेशन में जो टाइम लगता है इनका काफ़ी ज़्यादा फास्ट है. इतना ज़्यादा ये सोचते नहीं है आंसर्स बनाने में. जैसे कि बर्ड्स के बारे में बात की हमने, टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में बात की, सो रिस्पॉन्सेज वर गुड. एक मुझे छोटी सी कमी जो नज़र आई इनके अंदर वो थी कि इन्होंने एग्जाम्पल्स नहीं दिए. आई ऑलवेज मैंशन कि आप छोटे मोटे एग्जाम्पल्स ज़रूर दिया करो, चाहे वो पार्ट 1 ही है, ठीक है. अभी एग्जाम्पल्स किस तरह से देने हैं वो मैं आपको एक स्पेसिफिक वीडियो बता दूंगा कि हाउ टू गिव एग्जाम्पल्स, ठीक है. ज़्यादा लंबे चौड़े नहीं होने चाहिए. आपकी डे टू डे रूटीन में जो चीज़ें होती हैं उन्हीं के आधार पे आप एग्जाम्पल्स दे सकते हो, सच एज लाइक, जस्ट लाइक बोल के आप छोटा मोटा कुछ ना कुछ उदाहरण दे सकते हो इस चीज़ का. पार्ट 2 की बात करूं तो पार्ट 2 इज़ द पार्ट आई एम नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हो पाया पार्ट 2 में इनके. The reason behind that is, first of all, the length was very short. It was just for a minute and seconds 30. It could have been up to 2 minutes. Like, it's required for 2 minutes. अगर आपके एग्जामिनर ने आपको चुप नहीं करवाया, वो आपको बोल रहे हैं कि just keep on speaking, he is listening to you, it means that you have to stretch it out. आपको उसकी लेंथ बढ़ानी पड़ेगी, ठीक है. आपको 2 मिनट तक उसको लेके जाना ही पड़ेगा somehow. अगर आपका एग्जामिनर आपसे सेटिस्फाइड है, उसने सुन लिया आपकी बात को और आपको चुप करवाया, तब ठीक है. अदरवाइज जस्ट कीप ऑन स्पीकिंग एंड ट्राई करो कि जो आपका क्लाइमैक्स है, मतलब आपका कंक्लूजन, जो फाइनल मिनट पे आप जो सेंटेंसेस बोल रहे हो, वो इट शुड बी गुड एज ऑफ योर इंट्रोडक्शन. जैसी अच्छी आपने इंट्रोडक्शन दी है, उसी तरह का जो आपका है लास्ट में भी आपको अच्छे से अपने क्यू कार्ड को खत्म करना चाहिए. इन दिस केस स्पेशली इनका मुझे लास्ट में अच्छा नहीं लगा, और जो इनका कॉन्सेप्ट था वो इट जस्ट केप्ट ऑन रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड वीडियो कॉल्स और पेमेंट्स के बारे में ज़्यादा बात की. otherwise she could have mentioned other uses of technology. If she is talking about something that has changed her life, she said internet. सो इंटरनेट के और भी काफ़ी सारे यूजेस हैं जो कि अच्छे से डिस्क्राइब किए जा सकते थे फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टू एंड, और इनकी वोकेबलरी भी बहुत बेसिक थी पार्ट 2 में, जो कि अच्छे से ये क्या बोलते हैं, अच्छे से बोल सकते थे या और वर्ड्स को एड ऑन कर सकते थे. सो इन द पार्ट 1 आई वुड गिव हर 1.5 आउट ऑफ 2, क्योंकि फर्स्ट पार्ट आपका 2 बैंड स्कोर का होता है, उसमें हम इनको दे सकते हैं 1.5. एंड अगर बात करूँ पार्ट 2 की तो 3.5 में से इफ आई गो लीनियर विद हर तो मैं इनको दे सकता हूँ 2.5. ठीक है, शी डिजर्व्स दैट. बट अगर इनकी लेंथ अच्छी से कवर अप की होती, इनका क्लाइमैक्स अच्छा होता, थोड़ी वोकैब अच्छी होती है, कुछ ग्रामर मिस्टेक्स थी इनकी जो ये ना करते, तो ऑलमोस्ट 3 के आसपास भी इनका लेवल जा सकता था. सो अगर मैं बोलूँ कि इनकी परफॉर्मेंस कहाँ पे ड्रॉप हुई है, तो इस स्पेशली इस इंटरव्यू में इनकी परफॉर्मेंस ड्रॉप हुई है पार्ट 2 में. ठीक है, पार्ट 3 वॉज क्वाइट गुड, अच्छा था, बट जो आंसर्स थे दैट मुझे इतने अच्छे नहीं लगे. कुछ आंसर्स कि मैंने पूछा कुछ और था, स्पेसिफिकली जो इनका जो टास्क अचीवमेंट होती है या आंसर्स जो थे अप टू मार्क नहीं थे. मैंने इनसे क्वेश्चन किया था, एक क्वेश्चन था लाइक व्हाट क्वालिटीज डू द इन्वेंटर्स हैव. सो शी सेड दे आर जस्ट लाइक नॉर्मल पीपल, लाइक आई कैन tell, I can say they are human beings. Of course they are human beings, it was nothing to mention about them. Inventors भी humans ही हैं, normal people ही हैं, I know about that. but मैंने पूछा था इनको कि qualities क्या हैं उनकी, what qualities do they have. so इन्होंने बोला कि just inventions हो जाती हैं जब उनकी need हो, ठीक है, और just हो जाती हैं. उन्होंने एक बार भी mention नहीं किया कि जो इन्वेंटर्स होते हैं ऐसी क्या क्वालिटी है उनमें जो कि उनको दूसरों से अलग बनाती है. तो वो भी इंसान ही, I do agree with that, but qualities क्या है उनकी? Qualities like they are more intelligent, ठीक है, they are more focused, they have a different vision as compared to other people, normal people. अगर एग्जाम्पल दूँ मैं, एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे अभी न्यूटन से पहले भी लोगों ने एप्पल को गिरते हुए देखा होगा नीचे, ठीक है, सेब तो पहले भी गिर रहे थे बट किसी ने उसको नोटिस नहीं किया, उनका विजन नहीं था, बट न्यूटन ने देखा उसको. और चलो आज हमारे सामने है ग्रेविटी, कि हाउ इट वर्क्स. So it's not like what kind of people they are, but it was about qualities क्या है उनकी. So answers ऐसे होने चाहिए जो कि आपके क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से जस्टिफाई करते हो. ठीक है, जो क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है उसको आपको अच्छे सेटिस्फाई करना है एग्जामिनर को, ठीक है, ताकि आपको बैंड स्कोर दे सके. बाकी कॉन्फिडेंस गुड था इनका, अच्छा था, लेंथ भी अच्छी थी आंसर्स की, बट देयर इज ऑलवेज लाइक इट कुड हैव बीन बेटर, और अच्छे हो सकते थे ये. सो आज की परफॉर्मेंस अगर मैं टोटल स्कोर दूं इनको तो आई वुड गिव हर 6.5, 2.5 फ्रॉम द पार्ट 3, 2.5 इन द पार्ट 2 एंड 1.5 इन द फर्स्ट पार्ट. सो मेकिंग अ टोटल ऑफ 6.5 बैंड स्कोर इन द स्पीकिंग. बट आई नो इससे भी बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हैं वो, लाइक हर परफॉर्मेंस कुड बी अप टू 7 or 7.5 बैंड just with the practice. It's just a matter of practice. If she'll practice hard, she can score up to 7.5 and even. So thank you so much for watching this video. जल्दी मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर.